Hello viewers, welcome to our channel JD Pharmacoveda. In this drug inspector microbiology standard questions, let's start from question number 11. So before entering into our topic, we are very thankful for your support. Keep supporting us. Share with your friends. Question number 11. The side chain theory of antibody production was proposed by. The options are option A, Paul Ehrlich, option B, Eli Metchnikow, option C, John Hunter, option D, Edward Jenner. So the right option is option A, Paul Ehrlich. Then question number 12. Dash has a good sterilization effect on common antibiotic resistant bacteria such as MRSA, that is methicillin resistant staphylococcus aureus, VRE, vancomycin resistant enterococcus, and Clostridium difficile. The options are option A, glutanaldehyde, option B, orthothaldehyde, option C, peracetic acid, option D, hypochlorous acid. The right option is option C, peracetic acid. Then question number 13. The biological control for testing dry heat efficacy are spores of non-toxigenic. So the question is, which are the spores? The options are option A, Bacillus pumilus, option B, Clostridium tetani, option C, Bacillus stereothermophilus, option D, Clostridium botulinum. So the right option is option B, Clostridium tetani. Then question number 14. The biological control for moist heat sterilization are spores of. The options are option A, Bacillus pumilus, option B, Bacillus subtilis, option C, Bacillus stereothermophilus, option D, Bacillus globigii. The right option is option C, Bacillus stereothermophilus. Then question number 15. Which of the following microorganism possess metachromatic granules? The options are option A, Bacillus anthracis, option B, Bordetella pertussis, option C, Gardnerella vaginalis, option D, Proteus mirabilis. So the right option is option C, Gardnerella vaginalis. Then question number 16. Gram-negative bacilli may be cultured using. The options are option A, Meconis medium, option B, blood agar media, option C, bile salt agar media, and option D, nutrient agar media. So the right option is option A, Meconis medium. Then question number 17. Which of the following is a nonsense codon? Option A, UAA, option B, AAG codon, option C, GAU codon, option D, CGA codon. So the right option is option A, UAA codon. Then question number 18. The HLA allele associated with good posture syndrome is. The options are option A, DR2, option B, DR3, option C, DR4, option D, DR3 or DR4. So the right option is option A, DR2. Then question number 19. Which of the following HLA types is associated with rheumatoid arthritis? The options are option A, HLA-B27, option B, HLA-DR4, option C, HLA-AI, option D, HLA-DP. So the right option is option B, HLA-DR4. Then question number 20. Which of the following HLA types is associated with ankylosing spondylitis? Option A, HLA-B27, option B, HLA-DR4, option C, HLA-DD, option D, HLA-AI. So the right option is option A, HLA-B27. So thank you for watching. If you like our video, please like, enter your thoughts in our comment section, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel.